The new, intrinsically safe Class 1 Div 1 3AA Pro Polymer Dualie from STREAMLIGHT features the latest innovation in our Pro Polymer line, multi-directional lighting. The 3AA Pro Polymer Dualie is one light with two beams. Utilize the long-reaching 185-yard spot beam when you need to illuminate objects in the distance. Turn on the wide flood beam for close-up work, or use both spot and flood simultaneously to create a beam pattern that helps navigate trip hazards, makes multitasking more efficient, and provides a greater area of light to help complete the task at hand. The Dualie is Class 1 Div 1 rated for hazardous locations, making it safe to use in nearly any environment. The engineers at STREAMLIGHT designed the Dualie for maximum functionality. The ergonomic shape makes the light comfortable to hold for extended jobs, while the proprietary grip helps you keep a strong hold on the light. But if for some reason the light does get away from you, there's no cause for concern. The Pro Polymer housing makes the 3AA Pro Polymer Dualie virtually indestructible. One-handed intuitive activation allows you to easily select the illumination setting that works best for your situation. The rugged integrated clip sits flush with the handle, so it's easy to use and won't snag on your pocket or tool belt when it's time to put the Dualie to work. It grabs tightly onto shirts and gear, giving you hands-free lighting. And we've got another intrinsically safe dual-function flashlight. It's the Class 1 Div 1 3AA Pro Polymer Dualie Laser. The Dualie Laser provides a long-reaching beam with an integrated red laser for pointing out issues in the distance. It features rugged construction, no-slip grip, and an integrated ergonomic clip that fits comfortably in your hand or grabs firmly onto your pocket. The new intrinsically safe 3AA Pro Polymer Dualie and 3AA Pro Polymer Dualie Laser from STREAMLIGHT. Multifunctioning lights for multifunctioning workers.